Wagwan fams, welcome back to Vibe with Chelsea. So today I'm going to show you guys how I create my art braid because everyone is asking me how I create my art braid that needs. So I'm going to show you guys how I create my art braid using a simple technique. I hope you guys catch it. So if you want to see how I get my art braids done, please watch the entire video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the feedback section, and if you're here for the first time and you're liking my content, please join the family, hit the subscribe button, turn your post notification bell on to be notified every time I post a video. And if you're already a part of the fam club, I really love and appreciate you guys. Keep the support coming. Okay fam, so this is what my braid look like after I complete my pre-stretch. I don't like using pre-stretch braids, so I stretch my braids on my own, and I am using the Ocean wax for my parting and to neaten up my client's hair. Now I am going to create my first arch shape with my tail comb. After I complete my arch shape, basically I'm going to use the Ocean wax to straighten up my parts. Now I'm basically removing the extra ear to prevent tangling, and I am parting my art in half to start my art braid. So I'm just using the Ocean wax to remove all the extra ears and neaten it up and thing. Now me I go twist up that, me I twist up she right there so for remove her out of the way because I don't want she come in my way when I start make my art. Now basically I'm just parting this in half again, but I am doing it in a slant direction. I am not parting it straight across, I am parting it slant. Now me I twist up she down there so again for remove her out of the way. I take a small amount of my expression braid to start my invisible braid. Now I am going to add about 3 to 4 pieces of braid, small amount, because the client doesn't want her heart to look thick. She wants it to look small and nice, not small but you know, a good medium size but not too thick. So now I'm just doing a feeding technique. Basically I just cane roll it out or braid it out, and I plait it out a little bit because I'm going to stop to do this right here that you're seeing. So I am just using my Ocean wax to neat it up, and then boom, I just basically I just twist the cane roll for cane roll it done, braid it down. Yeah, now I'm gonna plait out that a little bit to go to my next half of my art. So I am repeating the same techniques on the other side of the art. Take a small amount of the expression braid, start my feeding braid. I add 3 to 4 small pieces of braids or small amount of braid to complete my first braid at the top. Then I am going to untangle the rope twist that I did at the bottom and bring it around and then straight down. I hope this helps because it's pretty easy. If you can already cane roll or if you know how to braid, it's pretty easy. You just part the art in half, another half, but you do it slant. And I'm going to show you guys how to close off the two end parts of the art right now. Okay, so the particular style that I am aiming for to close off the art with my first stitch braid to the back, basically I part it starting from the middle of the art, or basically half of the art. If you see where I start the parting at the back there. Okay fam, so I detangle the end of my braids. Then I take the first 3 strands from the first half of my braid and join it with the other half. Then I am just going to complete it by adding it to the rest of the ear to the back, like I am doing now. I did it pretty neat. from what I am seeing. Leave a comment in the comment section and tell me how I did. Let me know if my art is neat, because ooh, I am seeing pure neatness over here. My other videos, or if you don't watch my other videos, you will notice that I add a piece of braid to the back of the braid to complete it. Reason for that is I don't want the back part of my braid to be cocking up, so I add a piece of braid to keep it flat. This braid that I am doing right now is basically a straight braid to the back, not really a style. I am just doing a normal feeding technique, adding small amounts of braid each time I am going through until I've completed my braid. When I realize every time I do Sky ear, she always eat. Sky love her belly. Sky ever eat when I do her ear. If I'm a KFC, a banana, chips, I don't know what she don't eat. Now I am just making some triangle parts and doing some plaits, not adding any braid or anything. I just use my Ocean wax to make sure my plaits are neat and my parts are straight. Basically, I'm just creating a style right here. Boom! So nice. When time me finish with this, I'ma tell me say my client ear did natural. If you tell me say my client ear natural, you lie. You lie. Fams, me feel like I want to do some more pranks, like me feel prankish. So you can drop some prank idea in the comment section down below. I created an art in the middle just like the one on the side. It's the same techniques, and this is half complete, looking so good. Now I am on to my next half of my client's head, creating the same art on this side. So if you didn't catch it the first time, please watch keenly and catch it this time, because here I want to do for me. I want to create an art, get your cousin ear, your sister ear, your mother, your auntie, your nephew, your niece, anybody who have ear, could be your grandfather. I want to create an art and reach out to me on Instagram and send me an art and show me how you did, because I would really love to see. Doing the same technique that I did on the other side, I take my first 3 strands of braid from my first half of my heart and complete it with the next half of my heart. I join in the 3 strands with the other 3 strands and just bring it straight back. If it's too tight at the back, you can ask the client to hold it, of course. And I created the same style on this side. Now I am on to my last and final braid before I show you guys what I have accomplished. So farms don't know the girl a jack of all trades. So right, so me a boss one dance phone you know. Dog the madaya chop another deal. Ma kicks with the crown in the city plate. Big voodoo drop. Costa Rica, Espanol. Chop line dialing. CashApp that I instant wiring. I could never me fear trim the woman ear. Oh, yeah, she got sit on the hot water. Say, no, me have my little moment. Watch TikTok now. Yeah, move. Go, yeah. Watch your no man. Come on, ask fat Jesus. Yeah, the your body and your breast and them backs. No, sir, what is Father Jesus? So guys, of course you want to trim your braids to make sure they're neat. Trim off all the loose hair that you can catch and all that you can see. So you know me I get the woman little edges on her natural hair right this time. She says she don't want a swirl. I don't know what she calls swirl. I guess it's the octopus edges. And because her hair is natural, I'm using a little bit of mousse. She says she wants spurts, so may I get her spurts. I guess she want them for stiff.
Yeah, let's span the ears. Yeah, the kickle there. Yeah, may I come?
And we add the hot water for getting neatness complete. Straighten your braids.
Hello? Mama, hurry up and go for my little baby.
Mousse. So basically the mousse helps to hide any loose hair that you didn't catch when you're trimming. And my oil sheen, of course. This is a growth hair that you use in your hair. And now this is the end result. Thank you guys for watching. Look at that natural hair wear. If you tell me so this is a natural hair, you lie. Farms, I'm also going to show you the same exact style that I did on a perm hair coming up right now. Watch neatness, me do that hair. That's all me. Tell me the difference when you see with the cream and the natural.